How to fix iPhone won't turn issues. If your iPhone won't turn on after the iOS 18 update, then this video is a short guide to help you out. The very first thing is you have to charge your iPhone. Make sure your iPhone has enough battery to turn on. Plug it into a power source and let it charge for at least 15 to 30 minutes. Use an official Apple charger and cable to avoid compatibility issue. Then, if it is still won't turn on, then the very next step you need to do is force restart your iPhone. For that, quickly press and release the volume up button, then quickly press and release the volume down button, and keep pressing the side button until the Apple logo appears. This may take up to 30 seconds. Then release the side button and your phone will be turned on. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.